Nope. Well, push that bitch. Yeah, we'll put a ring in it and dry it down on it. You know what I mean? Dry it down.
What's he screaming for? Cars? You're not that here.
You should.
Back up first.
Maybe we should turn the car around first before you put it in there.
May back up. All the way to the thing.
Hey, this is easy as fuck.
Rednecks style. Jordy had nothing to do with this, y'all. It's all marked. I'm sorry, y'all. I love y'all.
Hey, slow down.
Slow down.
No, come on.
Come on.
Yeah.
You get it, ain't
I sure am.
I was looking to make sure what it's on.
Turn.
Yeah.
We're turning, y'all.
Slow down.
Slow down. I'm sorry.
Paige, come here. Come with me.
Ready?
Let her get in the car with you.
Okay, I'm fixing to get her.
I was about to make her stop.
You want to tote her or you want to walk her?
We gonna put her in the car.
Come sit with Gigi. Hang out the window with your leash on. We don't want the video to be all out of red. Bye. Say bye, baby. Love you.
Bye.
Bye, baby.
Bye.
Dance, girl.
Slow down. I know you ain't going fast, but we having a run. Let's stay there.
Right there?
Yeah, let's stay right there.
Right there.
Mom. Okay. You can go faster than that.
Stop. Move, Adolf.
Come here.
Adolf.
Boom! Fuckers.
Well, there's a car coming. He might have to get out of the road now. YouTube.
Why don't you go that way?
Yeah, pull us up to the doorstep.
Wait.
Hey, your flowers.
Where's good? The back kitchen door.
Yeah, hey, go to the kitchen door.
That's where she's going.
You're coming out pushing
Killed it.
Broke now. There's your brush. Go.
A little closer.
Go. Are we pushing you?
Get her down.